Alright guys, in this particular video, I'm going to break down what I'm expecting on good and how we can leverage on this opportunity. So the first thing I want to do, I want to go to my weekly or my daily time frame. So let's go to our daily time frame to see what we are having on our daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can equally see that I'm having a CRT here, a daily CRT, and before that, there's a place I drew here, which I was considering to be FVG, if ever look up here. A daily FVG. Let me work on this. Sorry, let me quickly work on this. So this is our where we have an FVG. This FVG is a bearish FVG, which I said in the past that it's going to reverse this market to the downside. Now, not just this. When we have this FVG, you can equally see that we also have another FVG here, which is this right down here. This FVG will be the FVG that will sponsor this price to the upside. This is a bullish FVG. So what are my expectations here now? My expectation is that market should react from here to the downside and from here to the upside. Then our expectation is to take out this high first. When we take out this high, we want to see market taking out this high here. So I'm expecting good to start to still be bullish. You get. Only when I can consider that, okay, we have changed from bullish to a bearish automatically, like we are not going to take out this high again or take out this high again, is when maybe, let's say, market comes down to break low, to break this low, maybe giving us something like this, right? That's when I'll consider, okay, for the rest of the year, I don't see gold breaking out this place, you get. But for now, this is what we are having right now. So let's quickly dive in and see how we can get our entry around this side. I say something that when building your bias using CRT, we also consider FVG as a point of interest. It can serve as a key level for us, or you can look for a possible key level around which market has tapped into. Currently, we are having this, but market didn't tap into this particular one, but there's no problem because this is an FVG that market came to fill. And after filling this FVG, we now have this daily CRT high here. This is daily CRT high, and this would be the low of the CRT. But in as much as this is the low of the CRT, anything that will drive price to the upside here, I'm expecting a reaction inside this FVG, either using the 50% of the daily FVG to start going to the upside. So when we have CRT like this, you can see the first candle, the second candle, the third candle has already formed for us. So what do you want to do? Either you want to go to your 4 hours time frame to look for your breakout, or your 2 hours time frame to look for your breakout, or maybe you want to head over straight to your 1 hour time frame to look for your breakout, a change of character, liquidity, and find a possible key level where you want to take your entry from. But in this particular scenario now, let's apply everything which I've said so far. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame to look for our breakout, if we are able to see a breakout on the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, you agree with me that this is the 4 hours key level which we are seeing here. So in scenario like this, we can also consider it to be what our liquidity area that market has formed for us. Our targets still remain our targets. We are not changing anything in terms of our targets, right? So now when we have something like this, let me quickly label this guy here. Say daily FVG, right? Daily FVG. Then this, I don't need to label this one again. So when we have something like this, our first target is where this guy here, this low should be our first target. Then this will be our overall targets, right? So now we are going to proceed and see what we should be expecting or we should be looking at when it comes to this guy. So these are our second targets. Let me label it with my target stuff, right? These are target now. Now, what are your expectations? That is a question you should be asking yourself, or what you should be doing next in scenario like this. Now, on our 4 hours, we have already gotten our breakouts on the 4 hours. So looking for our breakouts is no longer an issue for us because we already got our break. So now you can see that our breakouts happens around there. 4 hours breakout happens around there. These are our breakouts here. Sorry, let me change this. This is where our breakout happen. Maybe if you are not getting it clear, you can switch to what? To a line chart. When you switch to your line chart, you'll be able to see all these clearer. Okay, so let me show you on the line chart. So you see it, right? These are our breakouts. So let's switch. So when we have our breakout, this has indicates to us that yes, we are now bearish. All our expectation is that maybe you want to use this approach in the sense that you want to see markets giving us something like this, a reaction, a rejection from this 4-hour key level. Then you go to your 1-hour time frame for your entry, or you go to your 15 minutes time frame for your entry, depending on your entry model. Okay, then you set to this downside. First target is here, then you can consider this guy. Right now, another entry model approach which you can use is the scenario in the sense that we have already gotten our 2 hours breakout. Right now, you want to see every possible key level around here. Liquidity has been formed. You may want to decide to do your entry around this guy. If the SL pips are not too much for you, you want to put your SL at this top here. Then what your TP at this guy, this will give you 3.4 RR. Or you may want to have it, control it to this guy, which will give you 5.5. Yes, you adjust it to be 5.5. You can take your entry this way. It's still okay. But me personally, there are two entry methods I'm going to use here. I'm going to use the first one, which is 4 hours breakout, 4 hours key level rejection, the 15 minutes time frame as my confirmation entry. That's what I'm going to use here. If I'm not going to use that, then definitely I'm going to use this from daily time frame, having your CRT on the daily time frame and the rest. I'll just go straight to my 1-hour time frame. My 1-hour time frame now, I want to focus on the possible key levels I'm seeing on my 1-hour time frame. Yeah, focus on the possible key level I'm seeing on my 1-hour time frame. Now I'm currently on my 1-hour time frame. Where are the possible key levels I'm seeing here? I'm having this guy here, this OC level here as my possible key level 1, and also this apex level. But I don't think market will drive to this apex level, right? So I'm just going to focus on this 1-hour OC level. Then this guy here will serve as my valid liquidity. Then this is what I'm going to do. I will expect a sell-off from this guy. Then my SL will be at the top of this guy this way. Then that's all. Then targets this low first. That should be 5 RR, right? This will be my entry style. Or I can equally target this guy here. If I should target this guy to give me 7.5 RR, and I think this is very, very, very okay for me to pay attention to. So there are high tendency or high chances that this good setup won't play out this week. This is Friday already, so definitely in the coming week, this is what we should be expecting. So this will be my outlook on good and what I should be expecting on good. Now, if you are in my Telegram channel, or if you have been able to watch some of my videos, you'll be able to see that I've always given good outlook, and it's always playing out very, very, very well. Now, the first outlook I gave on good was on this particular daily FVG, which happens here, and I shared it with my community member. You can see it here. So I've always been active on sharing outlook or what I'm expecting on some pairs in my community. If you join, you'll be able to benefit from all this, which will guide you in your own analysis. So this was a place I called this good first, and market reacted from here. Since then, we have been going to the upside. I also told them that I'm expecting a reaction from this FVG, which is happening currently, and this is the FVG that will push this guy to the upside again. Not just on good, I used to give a whole lot of outlook on other pairs. So if you don't want to miss out, do it to click on the link in the video description to join my Telegram channel. And also if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, do it to subscribe, like this video, because this is not just all. I'm going to be making more breakdown and sharing trades outlook and trade breakdown. In fact, I'm planning to create a playlist where I'll drop every video related to my strategy. You can be able to have them for free, a brief and a little breakdown about my strategy. Also, if you check our Telegram, our YouTube channel currently, you will notice that there is a playlist there which tells everything on how to build your bias or how to understand MSNR from how to combine MSNR, SMC, and CRT together from a beginner stage to an advanced stage. So in fact, our YouTube channel has a whole lot of information for you, which you can benefit off from them if you subscribe and you like our videos, and in fact, a whole lot of stuff. So I'm planning to do something for my YouTube community members. This is it. If you're having issues on any topic or any particular stuff you want me to talk about or to give a breakdown on or to teach about, all you just need to do, go to the comment section and type what you want me to, the video you want me to make next. For example, let's say if you're having issues with confirmation entry, you can just go to the comment section and say, I want to make a video on confirmation entry. If you're having issues on CRT, it's very simple. Just go to the comment section and type what you're having issues on or where you want me to give a detailed breakdown on. And meanwhile, if you have any question concerning these good teachings which I just share right now, do it to comment down below the comment section. So please guys, if you're interested in joining my mentorship, you can do it to check the description. There will be a link to communicate with me directly, and I'll find a way to bring you into our mentorship. So see you guys in the next video. Do it to like this video, leave your views in the comment section, and turn on the notification bell, so when next I drop an awesome video as this, you'll be the first to be notified. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. See you guys in the next video, where I'll be doing more breakdown based on your comment section on what you want me to teach on next. So see you guys.